Play pibaro, ipinang sabhay pi sa kiyit kami, pagkikubol baman kasi.
Kakinhon yelekay ki Hebron na ka Shillong Cricket Association kilayo ban Korea ka nam Lahduh ha ka Under 14 Inter-District Cricket Tournament kabla pelong da ka Meghalaya Cricket Association hamadan yelekay cricket ka RBDCA kabadon hapaham sning. Kata hadian beklala ban pelim no persya ki Hebron na North Garo Hills District Cricket Association dahan riu pauran. Hakabapen kut no ekate kelempung ilekay cricket ki Khynnah ki bahapo kat sausnem la saki da ka jingdon uba Sostenes Sotun advisor ka RBDCA baru badairu MLA jirang kum ukongsan haringkat ka jingdon ki wede ki he badaipet ka kami lekay cricket ha ka jela ki bakentup yau naba bata charji convener BCCI task force uba dipul rentatiang vice president ke MCA Udruva Thakuria treasurer MCA uba Peter McDonald Sawian vice president ke SCA uba Royanel Kharkamni president RBDCA lem ki weipat kinongkit kam ha cricket na baro ki district ki badon ha ka jilla.
Yep.
And I would like to congratulate the Bhoi District Cricket Association under the leadership of Royanel Kharkamni. In any sports events or any activities, whatever we have, the different committees, we may have tens, hundreds of committees, but without the active leadership of leaders, I think it will be useless, as to say, because we will not see as what it's happening out here. At first, I thought that Bhoi District Cricket Association would not be able to run the tournament as such which we are witnessing today. But I see that I can see, and through the activeness of the president and all the members, and with the cooperation from the Meghalaya Cricket Association, we have seen that cricket in Bhoi district also has developed. Even though our team, unluckily, we didn't reach the final. Hopefully, we are expecting that in future, Bhoi district will produce many young talented players.
Ya kasinong nongkra, kabayo ban host, ya kini ka final match ha kini ka sngi. Te is dap na kajing sngo komen kabakraw mangiyo ya kini ka beneng, kaba clear, ka beneng, kaba saad, bat ka beneng kaba bahadu kata-kata, kabalong fit menginyo ya kini ka final cricket match. I think we must thank God that He has given us such a beautiful day to be able to witness this final cricket tournament. Tingis nga sukmen shibon ba kani ka sport ka cricket kala roy bha kani ka jela ka jongi but kai ki bong i galong ba baro ki districts ki badon kani ka Meghalaya ka jongi ki shimbanta ki lekai ha kini teams nakikilang ki district ki badon ha kini ki jala ka jongi ki yo pani shimbanta nadu kini ki tournaments ki beldep kata galong ka under 23 but ka under 19 but mentang indio ya kini ka under 14 but hadin ro kasadon de sakaway ka tournament pat hagabe day but kini ki players kentai keman salong hang teh nong stone. Tiga ni hi kalong ke platform na kebenta kini ki budding cricketers ki jongi. Tinggi stonat shibun ba nadu kini ka reta ke berit ki balong khat saus nem sharum bakini ki players ki yo bani shimbenta ban yele ya kata ke real cricket mong ya kata ke tennis ball cricket negal real cricket bagi yo ban sedang nadu benta kanang bingin yo ban groom yaki bakin yo ban pen kre yele de na ke benta ke lawe ke jongki ban ngi stonat shibun ha bangi page ki players jongka cricket ki badon ha keleng jongni ke ri India ke jongi ki babun hi ki players ki wan ki than ki basha kendong ki wan ki states ki prepare.
We usually organize football tournament each year, junior and then senior team, but local teams only. And then now, Bhoi Sports Association has taken the decision to organize big football tournament so that it will attract many talented players to come and play in this field, this beautiful ground of Bhoi Sports Association, which is here in Long Nong Rim. Di kani ka jung pelong jong ka Bhoi Sports Association ya ka football kani ban kring ya ki players. Baro ki players, ki local players, ito ki Badangret, ki ba ka Bhoi Sports Association ka jung groom ya ki nado ki under 14 bat kumta terter. Ni pelong kena ya kini ka jilekai ba mafi pinyo ya ka sap jong kini ki senior players ki bawan na keleng ka northeast. Labanong na Assam, Labanong na Shillong, kunta terter kilwan banilekai hagani gawadan. Te lingba kani ka jingilekai kasap ka bagini ki senior players kilpini ki players local ki jungi kila bansaki kila banini ya kasap ka jungi balingba ka jingpek ka jungi kila bantu ikibut nani ki rukomilekai bagi local players kinangla ban pitkin tiwilade.